Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2011 Mathematics Past Question 22. The second term of a geometric series is 4, while the fourth term is 16. Find the sum of the first 5 terms. Now, for us to find the sum of the first 5 terms, we need what? We need the first term, which is A, and the common ratio, which is R. And it is not given to us, but we are given that T2, which is the second term, is equals to 4. That means 4 is equals to AR raised to the power of what? 2 minus 1. And this is equals to AR. Let's call this equation 1. Then it says T4 is 16, which is equals to AR raised to the power of what? 4 minus 1, and that is AR raised to the power of 3. Let's call this equation 2. Now let's divide equation 2 by equation 1. So we're having what? 16 is equals to AR raised to the power of 3 all over 4, which is equals to AR. Now 16 divided by 4 will give us what? 4 is equal to, now A we cancel A, and R here we cancel this R here, left giving us what? Remainder 2. So 4 is equals to what? R squared. Now from this we can say R is equals to the square root of 4, which is equals to 2. So the common ratio now is 2. Now from equation 1 we have 4 is equals to AR. So from this we can get what? A, since our R is equals to 2. So we can simply say A is equals to what? 4 over R, which is equals to 4 over 2, and that is equals to 2. So A is equal to 2. Now the sum of the first 5 terms, Sn. The sum, to find the sum of terms of a geometric progression, we have to know if our R common ratio is greater than 1 or is less than 1. Now because our R is 2, meaning it's greater than 1, since R is greater than 1, we simply use the formula A into R raised to the power of n minus 1 all over R minus 1. This is because R is greater than 1. So we have S5 is equals to A, which is 2 into R raised to the power of 5, and that is 2 raised to the power of 5 minus 1 all over 2 minus 1. Now this is equals to 2 into 32 minus 1 all over 1. 2 minus 1 will give us 1. Now S5 is equals to 2 multiplied by 31, and that is equals to what? 62. So 62 is the correct answer to this question, and that is option B. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to the channel for more videos in past questions.